Okay guys, so this week I have a build that I'm working on, but it's not done yet. What I want to do instead was do a quick restoration on the steady rest for my lathe. If you look at this thing, you can see that it's pretty nasty, right? I mean, this is 1930s, and right now in the condition it's in, it's just not usable. This is going to be just a simple restore episode, nothing too crazy, just to kind of get this thing back to life and make it usable again. So hopefully you like the montage, check it out, and be prepared for the following video to have be using this bad boy in at least a little bit. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. And if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And you get to see more of these weird, crazy videos I'm making. Thanks.